What's up, world? This is Darren, your stock market coach. Don't mind my hair right here. It's a little rough. I need a retwist, but I'm on here just to give you all some good game on a frequently asked question that I get, which is, what do I do if the stock market crashes? Darian, I'm afraid to invest my money because I'm afraid the stock market is going to crash. What should I do if the stock market crashes and my money is tied into the stock market? So first thing I want to say is stock market crashes are inevitable. The reason why I say that is because just like everything in life, it has a cycle. The economy has the economy has a cycle. So does the stock market. Life has a cycle in general. There will be ups and downs. I never heard of or even met anybody that was wealthy who stopped investing because of crashes. Just like real estate market, it has cycles too. Sometimes there's a real estate market crash, but investors do not say, hey, I'm gonna stop investing in real estate completely because there's a crash. When you're thinking about the long term, and when I mean by that, at least a year or more with investing, when you're thinking about investing and growing your money, a crash is very short term. When you're thinking about years ahead, a crash is not every year. A crash happens every few years most of the time, or every couple years, just depending on what's going on. But a crash is not every year. So when you think about the long term, a crash will not scare you. Wealthy people, when they built their wealth through the stock market, real estate, businesses, and stuff like that, and between economy crashes, real estate crashes, stock market crashes, they never stopped investing. They might have tightened their strategy a bit of different, but they never stopped putting their money towards growth. And what I mean by that is they knew at the end of the day, once the stock market crash cycle is done for, their money is just going to recover and bounce back even further. Always remember, it's never truly a loss in the stock market unless you sell at a loss, meaning you sold one of your stocks for less than what you actually bought it for. So when I think about stock market crashes, I look at it as like the last crash that took place in March. I didn't stop investing. I just kept buying more and more shares. And the results turned out after the crash took place in March and then the stock market started recovering. Man, my money grew so much from where it was before March to current. It's more than what I actually put in to start in for the year, for year to date, basically. So when you think about crashes, they're short term. They're never truly long term. Most crashes do not take up most of people's investing years, to be honest. Crashes are just segments and they're just cycles. If you're in it for the long term, stock market crashes should not discourage you. They should encourage you to invest more and buy more stuff at a discount via real estate, via it be stocks. You buy more quality companies or quality real estate that's going to recover for a lower price when a crash does incur, if you're thinking long term. Because at the end of the day, once all this, the cycle goes through and we're back on the uptrend, man, you're going to make more money back on the come up. So don't let fear hold you back from investing. Don't let fear crutch you with growing your money. So to answer the question, what should you do if the stock market crashes? If you're thinking about long term, I say continue to invest. I don't let short term cycles affect my long term objectives. So I hope this really does help. This is Darian again, your stock market coach. If you can do me a favor, if you think this information is beneficial for someone who needs it, like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with someone you know that needs this information. Once again, this is Darren, your stock market coach.